another computer science and engineering department teacher. Today we are going to learn about reservation station. Okay, so now come to the board, that is a reservation table. That is reservation table. Now what is the reservation table? Reservation table determines how the segments are busy and future target how maximum utilization of segments. Okay, I have told you that I need more than 3 classes to complete this session, because this session is very important, very complicated and very important. So suppose this is our 3 segment. This is our 3 segment. Segment 1, segment 2 and segment 3. This is T0, T1, T2, T3 and T4. These are the clock cycle. That means S1 can be assigned anywhere, S2 can be assigned anywhere and S3 can be assigned anywhere. Suppose S1 is one that position and that position. S1 is busy in T0 and T4. S2 is busy in T1 and T2 and S3 is busy in T3. So now the next step to calculate collision vector and latency. Now you can find out S1 is busy in T4 and T0. So what is S1 busy time? T4 minus T0 is equal to 4. S2 is busy one, T2 and T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 1. And S3 is only in T3, so there is no waiting for the S3, so this is 0. So our forbidden latency is 0, 1, 4. Up to that clear? So our forbidden latency is 0, 1, 4. I am remaining here. So our time was T4, T3, T2, T1, T0. So here is 1, 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 4 is 1 and others are 0. So what are the permissible latency? That is 2 and 3. And what is the collision vector? And what is the collision vector that I have already calculated. The collision vector is 1 0 0 1 1. Collision vector. Now I am also using this. So our collision vector is 1 1 0 0 1. This is collision vector. Now design the state diagram. State diagrams. What are the state here? State 1. State 1. State 1. 1 0 0 1 1. State 2. State 2. I have to left shift 1 and OR of the stage 1, that is the collision vector, that is 0 1 0 0 1 or 1 0 0 1 1. So we are getting 1 1 0 1 1. What I have done here? Bitwise OR. What I have done here? Bitwise OR. So this is our second stage. This is our stage 2, state 2. So we cannot have been yet got the stage 1. That means my all segments are not busy. Stage 3. Stage 3. What I have to do? I have to shift to 0 0 1 0 0. Arithmetic OR 1 0 0 1 1, that is 1 0 1 1 1. This is our first stage, but we have not got again the collision vector, that is the stage 1. Stage 1 I have not yet got. So stage 2, stage 4 is equal to, what is the stage 4? 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Bitwise OR 1 0 0 1 1. Now you can see, you can find it here. This state, and this state are same. So for the stage 4 we are getting the first stage. So the cycles is 1, 4. And if I want to design the state diagram, you have to follow the next lecture. Up to this now. Here ends. I will continue in the next lecture. Thank you very much.